Welcome to Curiosity, the podcast where science meets wonder. Join us as we explore the fascinating, the innovative, and the unexpected, from the secrets of the cosmos to the marvels of everyday life. Each episode takes you on a journey to uncover the knowledge and stories that fuel our endless quest for understanding. Let your curiosity guide you. Cells, the tiny powerhouses of life. Human cells are the fundamental building blocks of the body, each one performing specialized tasks that support life. They are incredibly diverse, with different types of cells fulfilling various roles, from providing structure to enabling movement and controlling bodily functions. Every part of the human body, from the skin to the muscles, from the organs to the bones, is made up of these tiny, yet complex, units. Even though cells are so small, they are the most basic unit of life and are vital to the processes that sustain life. Inside each cell, there are structures called organelles that help the cell function. The largest of these is the nucleus, which acts as the brain of the cell. It houses the DNA, the genetic instructions that guide everything the cell does. The DNA contains the codes that tell the cell how to build proteins, which are the workhorses of the cell, carrying out tasks such as building and repairing tissue, speeding up chemical reactions, and fighting off infections. The mitochondria are another critical organelle. They are the powerhouses of the cell, converting food into energy that fuels all the cell's activities. Cells are surrounded by a membrane that controls what enters and exits, allowing essential nutrients in and waste products out. This membrane also helps protect the cell from harmful substances in its environment. Additionally, the cell has a cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that holds the organelles in place and allows them to interact with each other. The intricate network of proteins and fibers in the cytoplasm helps give the cell its shape and enables it to move, if needed. Each type of cell has its own specific structure and function, which enables the body to work as a whole. For instance, nerve cells, or neurons, have long, branching structures that allow them to transmit electrical signals over great distances, helping the brain communicate with the rest of the body. Muscle cells are elongated and packed with contractile proteins, which allow them to shorten and contract, enabling movement. Blood cells, like red blood cells, are shaped like discs and are packed with hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen throughout the body. Though each cell has a distinct role, they all work together in harmony. This coordination is vital for maintaining the body's homeostasis, the balance of conditions needed for proper function. For example, while some cells work to fight off infections, others repair damaged tissues or transport oxygen. Even though a single cell is small, when thousands, millions, or even billions of cells work together, they create the complex systems that allow us to function, grow, and thrive. Without the proper function of every individual cell, the body would not be able to survive. Thus, understanding cells and how they work is essential to understanding life itself. The process of how cells grow, divide, and function is an intricate and finely tuned system that ensures the body can repair itself, reproduce, and respond to its environment. One of the most vital processes in a cell's life is cell division. This process allows organisms to grow, replace dead or damaged cells, and, in some cases, reproduce. The most common form of cell division in humans is mitosis. which results in two identical daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as the original. This ensures that the genetic information is preserved and passed on accurately. In addition to mitosis, there is meiosis, a special type of cell division that occurs in cells involved in reproduction, such as eggs and sperm. Meiosis reduces the number of chromosomes by half, ensuring that when fertilization occurs, the resulting organism has the correct number of chromosomes. The cell cycle governs the entire process of a cell's life, from its formation to its division. The cycle includes several stages: interphase, where the cell grows and prepares for division, and mitosis, where the cell divides into two new cells. After the cell divides, it may enter a resting phase called G0, where it no longer divides but still performs its necessary functions. Throughout the cycle, the cell must carefully regulate its growth and division to ensure it doesn't become damaged or cancerous. If something goes wrong, such as an error in DNA replication, it can lead to malfunctioning cells that could result in diseases like cancer. Cells also have a remarkable ability to communicate with each other, which is essential for the body's overall functioning. This communication happens through chemical signals. When one cell wants to send a message to another, it releases molecules, such as hormones, into the surrounding environment. These molecules then bind to specific receptors on the target cell, triggering a response that can change the behavior of the receiving cell. This form of signaling is important for processes like regulating metabolism, immune responses, and growth. A key example of cell signaling occurs during the immune response, where white blood cells communicate with each other to identify and fight infections. The environment of the cell, called the extracellular matrix, also plays a crucial role in maintaining its structure and function. The extracellular matrix is made up of various proteins and carbohydrates that provide a scaffolding for cells to attach to and move within. It also helps transmit signals from outside the cell to the inside, influencing how the cell behaves. For instance, this matrix helps cells stick together in tissues, gives them shape, and can even influence whether cells grow, move, or die. In tissues like skin, bones, and muscles, the extracellular matrix is particularly important for maintaining the integrity and strength of the tissue. As cells continue their complex functions, they also face challenges that can threaten their health. Exposure to toxins, harmful UV rays from the sun, or viruses can damage cellular structures or DNA. Thankfully, cells have mechanisms in place to detect and repair this damage. One such mechanism is the cell's ability to identify and repair damaged DNA. Special enzymes act like repair workers, fixing any mistakes that may occur during DNA replication. If the damage is too severe to fix, the cell may initiate a process called apoptosis, or programmed cell death, to prevent the damaged cell from becoming harmful. In addition to repair and defense mechanisms, cells also maintain a process of self-regulation to balance their activity. The mitochondria, for example, regulate energy production, ensuring that the cell does not waste energy or overproduce harmful byproducts. In this way, the cell adapts to the needs of the organism as a whole, whether it's an increase in activity, such as during exercise, or a period of rest and recovery. This adaptability is essential for maintaining the body's homeostasis and allowing cells to perform their specialized functions effectively through their ability to grow, divide, communicate, and repair themselves. Human cells support the body's survival and health. They function not just as individual units but as part of a larger, interconnected system. The specialized roles of different cell types, their intricate processes, and their ability to adapt to internal and external changes contribute to the remarkable complexity of the human body. Understanding how cells operate is key to understanding life itself, as they are the building blocks of all living things. As cells continue to function within the body, they also face ongoing challenges from the external environment. Every cell is constantly exposed to various stimuli, such as changes in temperature, pH, or oxygen levels, as well as potential threats like pathogens, toxins, or radiation. The body has developed sophisticated defense mechanisms to protect cells from these dangers and ensure that they can continue performing their necessary roles. One of the key defense systems involves the immune system, which is made up of specialized cells designed to recognize and eliminate harmful invaders. White blood cells, such as macrophages and lymphocytes, patrol the body looking for foreign substances, like bacteria and viruses. When a pathogen is detected, immune cells work together to neutralize and remove the threat, often by engulfing the invader or producing antibodies that specifically target it. In this way, the immune system helps to maintain the integrity of the body's cells by preventing infections that could cause harm. However, even the most well-defended cells are not immune to damage. Aging, disease, and environmental factors can cause cells to lose their functionality over time. In many cases, this leads to a gradual decline in the ability of tissues and organs to work efficiently. For example, in conditions like arthritis, the cells in the joints may become damaged or inflamed, leading to pain and reduced movement. Similarly, in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, nerve cells in the brain slowly deteriorate, impairing memory and cognitive function. Despite these challenges, the body has a remarkable ability to adapt and repair itself. The process of stem cell regeneration plays a critical role in replacing damaged or lost cells. Stem cells are unique in that they have the ability to develop into various types of specialized cells, such as muscle cells, nerve cells, or skin cells. This regenerative capacity allows the body to repair and replace damaged tissues, helping to restore function and maintain health. The research into stem cells and cellular therapies has opened up exciting possibilities for treating diseases that were once considered incurable. Scientists are investigating ways to harness the power of stem cells to regenerate damaged tissues, heal wounds more effectively, and even replace organs that are failing. While this field of study is still evolving, the potential for cellular therapies to improve human health is immense. Another area of focus in cellular research is the study of genetic diseases. Some diseases are caused by mutations in the DNA of certain cells, leading to disorders like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. These conditions can cause cells to function abnormally, leading to serious health issues. With advancements in gene therapy, scientists are exploring ways to correct these genetic errors by altering the DNA within the cells. In the future, this could lead to treatments that address the root causes of genetic diseases rather than simply managing their symptoms. In addition to genetic research, understanding how cells age is another crucial area of study. Aging is a natural process, but the mechanisms behind it are still not fully understood. Scientists are working to uncover the cellular processes that lead to aging, such as the shortening of telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes. As cells divide, these telomeres gradually shorten, eventually leading to a state where the cell can no longer divide and function properly. This cellular aging process is thought to contribute to the decline in tissue function that occurs with age. By studying these processes, researchers hope to develop ways to slow down or even reverse the effects of aging at the cellular level, potentially extending the health span of individuals. The role of nutrition and lifestyle choices in cellular health cannot be overlooked. The cells of the body rely on a constant supply of nutrients to function optimally. Vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fatty acids are all essential for maintaining healthy cells. For instance, antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, a type of damage caused by free radicals. Likewise, maintaining a balanced diet, staying physically active, and avoiding harmful substances like tobacco or excessive alcohol can help prevent cellular damage and promote longevity. The choices made in daily life can have a profound impact on the health of cells and, by extension, the health of the entire body. Cells are the smallest units of life, but they are the foundation upon which the entire human body depends. They work tirelessly, day in and day out, to maintain health, repair damage, and ensure survival. The intricate processes within each cell are a testament to the complexity and beauty of life. As science continues to uncover the mysteries of cellular function, we gain a deeper understanding of how our bodies work, how we age, and how we can keep our cells functioning at their best. The more we learn about cells, the more we realize just how essential they are to our existence. Their ability to adapt, repair, and regenerate ensures that life can continue, and their study promises to lead to innovations in medicine, aging, and disease prevention that could improve the quality of life for generations to come.